Good. Okay, welcome to channel Portie's Garage. We got stuck doing gingerbread houses, so Mick and I, instead of doing a gingerbread house, which is here, we're gonna do a Portie's Garage style pole barn and work on some of these cars. So you can see the rest of the team over there doing all their gingerbread houses. So let's get rocking. Okay, so getting a couple of these cars smashed so we can put them in the gingerbread pole barn. Make sure you have your safety glasses. All right. Yeah, I should have.
I'll get a punch and take out that windshield. Oh, right in the driver.
There we go.
All right, that looks like something I would do while driving the car.
Go. Let's see if we can get these wheels off. Ooh, that wheel's already. That's pretty good actually.
Let that. Oh yeah.
Now let's try the Camaro. Smash up the back there.
Let's hope that's not a limited edition Camaro there. Someone's gonna comment that you're wrecking a fortune. Oh yeah.
There we go. All right, we got two smashed cars.
All right, let's get back in and start building.
All right.
So you know what? We're not using the icing.
We're
going with the hot glue gun. What you got?
Oh, you know what I'm gonna do there?
I'm gonna get this side of that.
All right.
You might want to put a bead on the inside if that doesn't hold. There we go.
Oh yeah.
Almost looks like it doesn't go.
You can switch it out. All over.
All right.
They're all pretty tiny.
I'll just put a new one on. Oh sure, yeah. I'm just using it for glue.
Getting a little closer. 2-bay pole barn for matchbox doors. Gingerbread house.
I'm so sorry for the mess I made.
All right, we got double wide center support. Let's hope that holds when we come and put it down on the. Oh, is it gonna work? Double deep pole barn. Look at that.
Okay, appropriate ratio for your pole barn to house. We do have our work truck here and our two smashed cars that we just fixed out in the garage. Now we need to get this, I guess, pole barn glued down to the board and get our lifts put in and the cars ready to be worked on. And then we'll do some minor little, I don't know, decorations.
Maybe some decoration?
Just to be in the gingerbread house theme. All right, general structure is done. I think we got this. Now we just got to do the gingerbread stuff. Maybe throw a few windows in here. I think this
You
is
got a lift going here. Oh yeah. What's that right there? Where is it? Right there.
Beer fridge.
Yeah.
Gotta have the garage pops.
All right, here comes the fence line.
Frosting around this.
Yeah, I just make it and I test it.
You might want to hold that bag. It may blow up on you.
Nice around a pilot run. I mean, you don't run a bunch.
Yeah. More up there.
All right, use the little solder for some tinsel and snow on the roof. Oh, he's looking so decorative there. I think we're putting M&Ms on there.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this episode of Portie's Garage Gingerbread Barn.
Oh, we've got the Portie's Garage sign. Couple cars being worked on, some tires. Looks like this guy did a burnout. Some trees. Wrapper stuck in the snow. We got some solder for tinsel. And that just about does it.